Look around you. The modern world is built on a lie. We think our empires run on data, on code, on the cloud. They don't. Everything from the missile in the sky to the algorithm in your feed to the pacemaker in a chest runs on melted sand. 90% of the world's most advanced supply is controlled by a single invisible company. An entity so dominant
This is a tremendous move by the most powerful company in the world.
that even the twin pinnacles of the modern age, Apple and Nvidia, are merely its most famous hostages. Apple, Nvidia, AMD. We are quietly hypnotized by their success. We see the sleek glass keynotes and the trillion-dollar market caps, and we assume they are building the future. When Apple unveils the new M-series chip or Nvidia announces the Rubin AI architecture, they are hailed as miracles of engineering, and they are. But Silicon Valley has a secret. They don't build the future. They only design it.
Future of the chip industry is our future, and TSMC is the bedrock.
We could not do what we do without our partnership with TSMC.
TSMC to manufacture the chips that help power our products all over the world.
An Apple blueprint or a NVIDIA logic map is just a digital file. Without a fabricator, a trillion-dollar design is completely worthless. The tech giants are the architects of a future they do not possess. They are the occupants, and this is the sovereign. A $20 billion furnace. This is the most expensive industrial landscape ever created, but the barrier to entry isn't the building. It is the ratio of perfection. To create the brains of modern AI, you have to manipulate matter at the nanoscale. The industry relies on extreme ultraviolet lithography. Machines so unnatural they cost hundreds of millions of dollars each. But owning the machine is not the same as mastering it. Inside that vacuum, the laws of the universe begin to rebel. Atoms migrate. Electrons leak through solid walls. A modern chip holds billions of transistors. If a single atom is out of place, the entire architecture collapses. Every single wafer is a gamble with a billion microscopic variables. A single percentage drop in success doesn't just ruin a chip, it can bankrupt a product line before it even launches. And that brutal, unforgiving math is exactly why the empires are bleeding. Consider Intel, the pioneer of the computing era. Consider Samsung, a conglomerate with the financial force of a nation-state. They have the cash, they have the scale, they bought the exact same lasers. But they are losing a war against the chaos of the microscopic. TSMC is the only entity on Earth that has mastered the math of success. And here is the fatal illusion. You can buy the lasers, you can build the clean rooms, you can even copy the math, but the machines remain a silent monument until they are commanded by the memory. Apple, Nvidia, and every titan in the valley can spend billions to create a factory, but they cannot buy time. TSMC is not a factory. It is a 30-year ledger of human error. It is a collective hive of tens of thousands of PhD engineers who have spent 3 decades failing, mapping every dead end, every leaked electron, and every shattered wafer, until they learned exactly how to succeed. The math of the perfect strike, the absolute command of the atom, the 30-year instinct. You cannot reverse engineer experience. This is a moat built out of time. And if this one company stops, the AI revolution doesn't just stall, it vanishes. The most advanced civilization in human history is currently balanced on the tip of a single needle. And only one company knows how to hold it still.